Andrew, you know me just did a chat about you. You know you're gonna live long. Hey guys, it's your girl Majestie and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be naming my top 3 things that Jamaicans say. Now, when a Jamaican says this specifically, it sort of means like they're predicting the future a little bit. I know you're probably confused, but I'm going to explain throughout the video, so let's get into it. Number 1, let me set up a scenario for you. So if you're talking about someone and they end up either calling you or you end up bumping into them, it means they're going to live long, meaning they're going to have a long life. I don't necessarily know the logic behind it, but apparently it just means that that person is going to live long. You know, me they tell him, you know, me they tell Andrew no bother with it. Now every minute time I go doctor, that girl I stress him out, you know. Wait, Angie, wait. One caller come through. Wait. But back for Angie. You would have never guessed who call me. Now, Andrew, let me go see what I want. Alright, me call you back. Andrew, you know me just did a chat about you. You know you're gonna live long. 2. So, if your foot bottom itch you, that means that somebody where you know I go pass away. Funny thing is, me actually witnessed this one year, so me bound to believe it, unless it was just a coincidence or something. But it just means somebody where you know I go pass away. But here you know, if about 2 weeks pass and your foot still like itch you and you don't say nothing happen, nobody say, oh, me did watch that the video there with Majestie, you know, and she say somebody I go pass away, that's why my foot itch me. No, massa, if 2 weeks gone pass, that means that your doctor ain't if you go scrub your foot, go wash it down, go scrub it. Nobody try blame things on me and say that mean this and that mean that. Because if it itch you, it's coming up close to the time. It not gonna last so long, so go wash your foot. My foot just itch me some man. This not right. Somebody must have traveled. Number 3, I think most people will know this one year. So if you just go about your day and your eye them start jump, it means that something bad are gonna happen, right? I don't know what kind of badness are gonna happen, some sort of accident or something, some sort of disaster. It just means that something bad are gonna happen. That's it. You know me there just watch TV and my eye them just a jump. You know something bad are gonna happen though. Guys, that was all I had for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. I know you probably think, come on man, that's all made up. But you get taught these things as you grow, so you're bound to believe it unless you actually experience it and then you see nothing happen. But if you know any more, feel free to comment them in the comment section below. Now, before we end the video, as promised, I said I would start shouting some of you guys out just to show how much I appreciate you guys. So my 2 subscribers today, let me start with my lady subscriber. My lady subscriber is Charlotte Wright. Charlotte Wright, thank you so much for your support and all your love in my comment section. And then my guy subscriber is Marshall Blake. Also, thank you so much for your love in my comment section. Thank you both for tuning in every single video. I appreciate it so much, guys. Like I said previously, if you want to shout out, you know exactly what to do. Show me some love in my comment section, like the video, subscribe to my channel, obviously share the content, it would mean so much. And guys, thank you so much for your support every single video. Thank you. I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in another video. Bye.